There are hundreds of settings, over 1,000 operators, about 100 shader nodes, over 200 geometry nodes, and about 50 modifiers in Blender. And with BlendAI's Explain feature, you will be able to understand all of them. Therefore, right-click any of the hundreds of settings you're not familiar with yet, any of the 1,000 operators you don't know exactly what it does, and all of this also works with well-documented add-ons. Any of the 100 shader nodes, you don't know yet in which case to use it, but make sure the node is selected. The same goes for any of the 200 geonodes. You can't tell yet how it works. And any of the 50 modifiers to learn how to make your workflow more non-destructive. And then simply click Explain. BlendAI will explain you what it does and how it works, when to use it, and always gives you an example. It's all well structured and really easy to understand. Using this feature costs as little as 3 BlendAI credits when using the high quality setting, and only 1 credit on balanced. But I recommend you going with high for more reliable answers. But more on that later. You can also follow up on the explanation by using the chat feature with the reply option enabled. But more on that also at the end of this video. But before that, I want to show you a way to make this even more intuitive. As we've just used the Explain feature, you always have to go to the sidebar to get your answer. You can do faster than that. When holding Shift while clicking Explain, the BlendAI pop-up will open directly where you are and you get the answer there. I guess this is the fastest way to learn about all the good stuff in Blender. But keep in mind, this is only available in the Pro version, among many more time-saving AI features. More videos about them coming soon. Now you can try the Explain feature yourself by getting BlendAI on the Blender market. It's the first link in the description. And earlier I said there's more about credits, the quality settings and the chat feature. I covered that in this video about BlendAI's personal assistant. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.